Please, 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 please. Where's Brooks? Oh. Couldn't see us, baby. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's Christmas. It's Christmas. It's Christmas. Do you hear, Mom? It's Christmas. It's Christmas. It's Christmas.
Did Sister wake you up?
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Dirty.
Alright, cool it. The energy levels just...
I can get sleep in 2 hours. So I'm overly tired and I'm so energized.
I see.
Good morning, Babs. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Whoops.
Brooks, oh, I see the kitty.
Quick.
I'm right here. We're all right here.
Should old acquaintance be forgotten?
You need your presents. That's yours. That's yours, bud. And look, this is yours too. Whoa! Can you open it? Can you go like this? Here. Can you do that? Tear. Can you tear the rest? That's so cute, bud. That actually is adorable.
My dear,
Go dig it, Mommy.
we'll take a cup of kindness for all mankind. We'll take a cup of kindness for all
Sudoku. Crossword. Oh my God!
James Conrad? This golf cart?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Is that my present?
Good job. Good job. This is for you.
Mama,
How easy it is.
look at that shit. Here, Mama.
Cool. Delicious.
What is that?
Look what Allie got.
What?
Look, you got that bracelet. I know you see yourself. Mama.
Ooh, baby. Close. Cloudbreaker, baby.
Mama, look at that.
I like these Sam is loading the car so that we can go to my parents. Yay! Yay! What do you got there? That's pretty cool.
Happy New Year.
Some gator attire.
This is just for
Let's go.
Very nice.
Look.
Oh, you got one?
You gonna play dirty? Yeah.
Dancing with you under cotton candy skies. Got me feeling like I'm on a sugar high. I could could spend forever in your paradise.
All right.
It's just us tonight on a sugar high. Never really was a sweet tooth, and then suddenly I met you. Now I'm mesmerized by your chocolate eyes. Always knew you were different, never knew what I was missing. How did I survive without dancing with you under cotton candy skies? You got me feeling like I'm on a sugar high. I could spend forever in your paradise on a sugar high, just you and I. Tasted sweeter since the day you put your lips on mine for the first time. For the first time, you're replacing all my bitter days with peppermint and candy canes, and I can't get enough of you. When we're dancing underneath the cotton candy skies, you got me feeling like I'm on a sugar high.